Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York. From Oranges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 9 a.m. At 7:50 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 5 nautical miles southwest of Jones Inlet, moving northeast at 30 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Jones Inlet, Middle Bay around 8 a.m., East Bay around 8:05 a.m., South Oyster Bay around 8:15 a.m., Fire Island Inlet around 8:25 a.m., Great South Bay around 8:50 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9 a.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York; Fire Island Inlet, New York to Oranges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles; and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Here is a special weather statement.